Hello! This week we've been having a go at expanded noun phrases, and the Year 6s have produced some pictures like this one here and some videos to explain just how to construct an expanded noun phrase. This poster shows that you just need a noun, then you added a determiner to make it a phrase, the dog, and then you can add some adjectives in there, the cute, small, fluffy dog, but don't forget to add commas if you use 2 or more adjectives. Then you can even put on the end a prepositional phrase to make it that bit more interesting. And it is, as the poster says, as easy as that. There's not much else to it really. Now for some more pictures in our wonderful gallery.
News. Today we have found out that an expanded noun phrase has escaped from jail. The expanded noun phrase is a white and fluffy cat that just ran past the building. We will keep you updated as to where the cat's whereabouts later this evening. That's all for now. Bye!
Here's one more example of an expanded noun phrase.
The happy little dog.